Most asylum applications in Canada are refused, and not because people are lying. In this video, I will explain the reasons asylum claimants are rejected in Canada so you don't make costly mistakes. If you are thinking of making or claiming asylum in Canada, watch this video carefully. Hello everyone, welcome back to KHP Canada. I'm yours King Prayer, and on this channel we talk about Canada newcomers' lives and most important immigration information and updates. Today's video is about everyone who is thinking about making a refugee claim or claiming asylum in Canada in 2026, or if you have already made one and you are waiting for the decision. Please note that I'm not a lawyer, but this video is for educational purpose only, based on research and official informations and common mistakes. So don't confuse things and don't mix things up. Asylum is very serious and it's not a shortcut to stay in Canada. Many people are applying without understanding the rules, and that is why many applications have been denied or refused. So I'm going to take you through 5 reasons why people are being cancelled, people are being denied, and people are being refused while claiming asylum in Canada. Number 1. The number 1 reasons asylum claimants are refused, it's simple. The person does not qualify. Asylum is for people who fear persecution because of race, religion, nationality, political opinion, membership in a particular social group, membership in a particular social group, economic problems, poverty, unemployed, or looking for a better life do not qualify for asylum in Canada. And Canada is very strict on that. Reason 2, it's lack of evidence. Another major reason for refusal is lack of evidence. It's not enough to say that I was in danger, my life was in danger, or my life was hard. No, that cannot be the reason. That cannot be the only thing to prove that your life was really in danger. So you need to prove, such as a police report, a medical records, a court document, or a news articles about your case, threat messages, witness statements. So you need to have things like those to make your case or to prove your case. You need to have evidence for your case to be accepted. So if you don't have some of these documents, it will be hard even for the officer to believe that your case is true. They will just deny your case. So in short, if your story doesn't have evidence, your case is weak, very, very weak. Reason number 3, it's inconsistent story. Inconsistent story. Many asylum claims are refused because of inconsistent story or because of changing their stories. What you say at the border, what you write in the forms, and what you say in the hearings must match. If it doesn't match, then they will not accept your case. You will just face refusal because you are changing stories. Your story needs to be one. Remember what you said at the border and what you wrote in the forms, and also what you said at the hearings must be identical, must be the same thing. If anything change, such as a date, place, or event change, the officer may think that this story is not credible. Maybe this person is lying. So this story is not credible. Always tell the truth and be consistent. Reason number 4, safe third countries rule. If you entered Canada through United States, this is very important. Canada and US has a safe third country agreement. Canada and US have a safe third country agreement. This means that if you came through the US, you cannot be eligible or you cannot claim asylum in Canada, except in specific situations. Many people are refused because they did not understand these rules. Reason number 5, applying too late. Some people are waiting for too long before they apply. Delays can raise questions like, if he was in danger, why did he wait? What have you been waiting for? It means you are not in danger. Because if you are not in danger, you could not wait for that long. You don't need to wait for long. So if you take too long, if you wait for a long time and try to claim asylum, your case or you will just face refusal, because it will raise so many questions about you. If you are in danger, make your claimant just as you get in Canada. At the border, at the port of entry, just try to make your claim there and they will listen to you. They will listen to your case and they will take you through the right process. But if you take too long, then it will be hard for you to claim asylum in Canada. So many questions will be raised upon your case or about your case. Reason number 6, which is very important, wrong advice from friends. This has been one of the major reasons people are failing. People are facing refusal because they are listening too much to their friends. This one is very common as I'm telling you. Many people apply based on friend stories. So your friend came in Canada, she was not safe, or she had a certain story that helped her to claim asylum and everything went okay. So she advised you, she gave you her story or his story, and you say that I'm going to try that. It will not work for you. WhatsApp advice. People will send messages that I've done this, I've tried this, and everything went through. So you just want to try because you had just a story about someone, or someone told you about what they did and everything went through. You will face refusal. The third one is a social media rumors. Social media rumors, rumeur in French. I don't know if I pronounce it well in English, rumors, but rumeur. Habari za kusikia. So you heard that you see on social media things like that someone did this, blah blah blah, and everything went through. So you also want to try because you heard about it on Facebook, you heard about it on Instagram. My friend, it will not work for you. What worked for someone else may not work for you, because every asylum case is different and totally different. And something that you need to know, asylum case, asylum decision can affect your entire future, because a refusal can lead to a removal order. A refusal can lead to travel restrictions, long-term immigration problems. So you better be careful on that. You better be careful on that. Whenever you want to make a claim, know that you are doing the right thing and you are also doing it the right way to avoid being removed in Canada, to avoid travel restrictions, and also to avoid long-term immigration problems. You better be very careful when you want to try this. It's only for those people who are not safe in their countries, those people who are in serious dangers. This is the reason why you must understand the process before applying. So if you haven't watched my full video about who qualify and how to apply for asylum in Canada, please watch it next. I will leave the link in the description and pinned comment. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will read and reply. Thank you for watching KHP Canada. Subscribe for more honesty and helpful information about life in Canada. See you in the next video.